Welcome to Petite Coco Crafts. Today we're excited to take you through creating a vintage floral ruffle-trimmed apron. This moderate level project is perfect for those ready to challenge their sewing skills using pre-cut fabric pieces from our DIY craft kit. Now let's get started. For this project, you'll need a sewing machine, threads, scissors, sewing pins, and a ruler. Your kit includes 2 body parts, one for the top, one for the bottom, 2 shoulder straps, 2 waist straps, 2 pockets, and a lace strip. Now let's begin by pinning the top and bottom body parts together. Begin by flipping the top apron piece to the back side, ensuring the correct side is facing down. Now using sewing pins, secure the 2 pieces together, pinning along the edge where the fabrics meet. This will hold everything in place as you prepare to sew. With everything pinned in place, we're ready to sew the 2 body parts together. Stitch along the pin line on the back side, making sure to follow the edge precisely. For added strength, don't forget to backstitch at the beginning and end. Next, grab the lace strip and position it on the top part of the apron body. For a clean look, you can use a ruler to make sure the lace is evenly placed, then use several pins to secure its position. Now it's time to sew the lace to the top part of the apron. Slowly stitch along the edge of the lace, being careful to keep your seam straight. Take your time with this step to ensure the lace lies flat and evenly. A smooth, well-placed lace trim is the key to achieving that vintage flair. Moving on, it's time to attach the shoulder straps to the top part of the apron body. Start by flipping the shoulder strap to the back side and pin it along the top edge of the apron body. Remember to double check for any adjustments before sewing. Repeat the same process for the other shoulder strap. With the straps pinned in place, now sew along the pin lines to attach the shoulder straps securely to the top of the apron. Just like before, backstitch at both ends for added strength. Then repeat the same process for the second strap. Now we're going to add a decorative touch to the pockets. Position the lace strip along the top edge of each pocket, about 1 inch from the top. You can adjust this based on your preference, but we recommend leaving a bit of space to make the lace more visible. Once you're happy with the position, pin the lace in place, making sure it's even across both pockets. Now sew the lace onto the pockets, creating that lovely vintage detail that makes this apron so special. Now that the lace is attached, it's time to add the pockets to the apron body. Position and pin the 2 pockets on the bottom half of the apron, making sure they're evenly spaced from each other and aligned with the apron's edges. You may want to pin the pockets a little higher or lower depending on your preference for functionality. Use your ruler to ensure perfect symmetry. Once everything looks good, sew along the edges to secure them, and leave the top side open for pocket use. Remember to backstitch at the beginning and end of each seam. Next, grab the waist straps and position them at the sides of the waistband. Align the straps carefully with the edges of the waistband. Then, pin them securely, making sure the lengths of both straps are even on both ends. Then, sew along the pinned edges to attach the straps. Next, we'll attach the shoulder straps to the waistband. Start by connecting the long shoulder straps to the outer edges of the waistband on the back side of the apron. Make sure everything is aligned and securely pinned. Your attachment should look something like this. Now that the long shoulder straps are attached, let's create an H-back design. Measure approximately 8 inches above the waistband and position the short shoulder straps to form the H shape. Pin them securely to hold everything in place. Now sew the shoulder straps to the waistband and the short strap to both shoulder straps to complete the H-back design. Follow the pin lines carefully to ensure a clean and secure stitch. This final step will give the apron its signature H-back structure, making it both fashionable and functional. And here's the final look of your beautiful creation. Now your apron is complete and ready to be worn. This vintage floral apron combines style and practicality, crafted from lightweight material for all-day comfort. Whether you're crafting, cooking, or diving into any DIY project, this apron is designed to keep you looking great while providing the functionality you need. Thanks for watching! We hope you enjoyed making this apron, and don't forget to subscribe for other creative projects. Happy crafting!